Wow, look at that. They were howling a lot louder before. Now that I'm recording them, they quieted down. Come on, let's give a little scream here. Come on, let's hear it. Give me a chorus. Yeah, you go ahead. Come on. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. Yeah. Yeah. You too. Wow. Give me another one. Come on. Come on. You're on camera. Come on. Unbelievable. Live entertainment here with the Feathered Friends and Wildlife. These guys. There's a little bit of bird feed left. I poured out like about a pound and a half of this stuff earlier. They love it. Yeah, hi. Okay. Did you guys have enough to eat? Yeah? Call it a day. It's, what is it? It's the 25th of March. Hump Day, Wednesday. Another gorgeous day. One day after another, 1 week after another. Beautiful blue skies. And right now, it's like almost 8 o'clock in the evening. It's still very light out. I got it. These guys are talking to each other. Trying to sound like them. That's it. That's it. Give me a good one. Come on. I think they're trying to establish some type of dominance in the herd, and there's quite a few of them. They seem to be competing with each other for vocalizing here. Anybody want to say anything else? The ducks are quiet compared to the geese. Oh my God. Okay. All right, we'll call it a night. It's beautiful out tonight, just gorgeous, balmy. Just about 80 degrees at this 8 o'clock hour. It's dry and clear. Very, very light breeze. Hardly anything, just very good. And this guy, hey, how are you doing? He's sitting by my feet here. I don't have any more food. I'm out. Yeah, pill it. And then fill it up to the brim here with bird seed and organic bread. All right, he's pretty vocal, this guy over here. I'm trying to get him to, this is me doing it right now. That's them. They come right up to each other like, you know, they're putting their mouths together and pointing themselves in the sky. Hello. Don't worry, they don't hurt you. It's harmless. I mean, I've been feeding, that's why they're out here celebrating. People walking by. Okay.